Hi Niharika, congratulations for getting a 588. I just want to record these few sessions so that we can, you can share your ups and downs with respect to how has been your journey with our viewers. Okay, so thank you so much for being here with me. And a couple of questions. The very first question that I wish to start with is, you know, uh, how how did you decide to do law, or why law?
So actually, ever since 8th or ninth grade, I'd been really interested in civics as a subject. And I had an inclination towards the arts and humanities, but I wasn't really sure till 10th, and I had to pick. So I picked science because it was, so to say, safe.
Okay.
And as time went on, by 12th standard, I realized, no, मुझे ये नहीं करना. I can't see myself doing this forever. I mean, as a job and everything. So I decided that I really want to pursue law as a subject because I've always been interested in diplomacy and maybe international relations as well. I actually got accepted into a course in Harvard for international relations.
That's amazing. So when did you switch? I mean, from the year current 2025?
Yeah, I actually decided that I want to do law in around early June of 2025, and I started preparing for it in July of 2025.
So viewers, I want you to take a note of it. This Niharika has started preparing with Career Launcher for only for I think 4-5 months.
4 months.
Let's say from July, later July, and she has got a 588. So a really inspiring story to our viewers, right? Okay, which aligns me to the second question, that how a short while journey you had with us, how did it help, and what, even talk about materials, even let's know about mocks and so on. How many mocks did you give, and so on and so forth?
So actually, in the very beginning, I just wrote a previous year paper of 2024 by myself, just to convince my mom that I'll be good at this.
Okay.
So I think I got something like a 79 point something in that.
Okay.
And that convinced my mom. And uske baad, I gave around 40 to 45 mocks approximately.
That's in 4 months or 5 months. Very good.
And my scores always ranged from 70. In the initial months, they were 70 to 85. And then I started hitting 90 by the second month. And uske baad, it was consistently over 90.
Fair enough.
Sometimes going over 100.
So how was any special shout out to any particular faculties, material, members, support system, ecosystem that really helped you, gain through this?
I think I really appreciate the YouTube videos and all the lectures of Salik sir. They were especially really helpful for me because I struggled a lot with GK. I was cramming GK like anything. And Sarthak sir, the legal faculty, he was a really good mentor. He would always ask Aage se to see my mock scores and everything, and then he would suggest what I can do for my areas of improvement, what all I need to work on, and what all I can let it be. Yeah, so that was really helpful for me.
Out of the 5 subjects, which was the most painful subject that you find?
GK.
GK. So what did you do for GK? Or any tips that you would like to give to the future aspirants who are watching us?
Personally, I still don't think I've figured it out.
What did you do?
I obviously attended the lectures for GK. And then I also watched the YouTube videos that Salik sir uploaded. And the Manthans, as well as there was a compilation that came out. The Manthans.
Correct.
And then there was this compilation that came out of all the GK questions that have been asked in the mocks so far. I found that helpful.
So, how did you tackle maths?
Considering I'm from JE background, so that was pretty easy.
Maths was charm. Always on 12 on 12 or 10 on 12.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever gone below 10 in the mocks.
Very good. And what about English, logic, and legal? Okay, legal domain was
something that was completely new to me.
Right.
But most of it was like reading comprehension-y, because the passage was already given. You don't really need any prior knowledge. So it was also fine. My scores in the mocks initially were always in the early 20s, so that was really upsetting for me. But then I slowly figured it out. I started hitting 28, 29. It just came with time. I didn't really do anything as such. I just maintained practice. English was also fine, but really close to the exam, my marks dropped.
You started giving poems.
my marks dropped like drastically. I went from consistently above 20 to 13, 14. I was like, what is going on?
That happens.
Yeah, I had a session with Prasan sir, I think,
Okay.
and he told me ki the level of English has increased, so everyone's marks has dropped.
Correct.
So I don't have to worry about it.
Any others? Any other thing that you wish to that have stood out in this journey? The shorter journey, but yeah, I'm sure the encouraging journey and the helpful journey from my end or our end. And any special shout out to anyone?
I think I just want to thank Sadiq sir as much as I can because his lectures were genuinely so helpful and so good. They were actually really good.
Fair enough. Okay, thank you so much. I think that is really inspiring to all people who are viewing, and to all people who also say that it's really career switching is really a very challenging. So we have Niharika inspiring you all to understand that even managing everything that she's done, taking a call of 5-6 months, and then religiously being behind the studies and following all that we have started. She has secured a 588. So that's really wonderful and really awe-inspiring. Thank you so much, Niharika, for joining us here and sharing your insights.
Thank you.
You're welcome.